leaving. The truck is warmed up, and you're actually leaving out the door. And I failed to ask you in the last video about the welder's helmet. What happened to your welder's helmet?
Well, I had my gear sitting up on top of the box, my welder and welding helmet, and you're not allowed to get on the load to do your bungees and stuff when you're tarping. And so I decided, I knew where a place was down the road, so I just got it good enough where the tarps wouldn't blow away, and went down that way. But as soon as when I did, where a bridge was mounted to the road, it was a big bump, and I mean, it knocked a lot of stuff over. It's a huge bump. Anyway, my helmet got knocked off of the side box, and away went a $50 helmet. So I mean, I'm driving a semi. It's not like I can go back and get it, you know. So.
But the welder itself did not get to. You still have your welder. You just lost the brand, and it's a brand new, freaking brand new welder's helmet.
Yeah.
And you lost a brand new one.
I lost it. It's the way the ball bounces.
But now, what happens if you're on the side of the road and you have to?
I'll have to close my eyes. So, anyway.
All right. Well, I'm gonna follow you down there.
Yep. I got 10 minutes to get everything hooked up and get on out.
I'll see you down there. I love you.